Back pain affects millions daily, but relief doesn't have to come from medication or surgery. What if the key to ending back pain isn't in a pill, but in restoring your spine's natural alignment? Chronic back pain disrupts sleep, limits movement, and steals quality of life. Ignoring it leads to compensation, posture decline, and long-term degeneration, making relief harder over time. Here's the truth. Most treatments mask symptoms. Chiropractic adjustments don't. They fix the joint restriction causing nerve irritation and muscle tension. Clinical outcomes from 2026 show patients improved significantly within just a few sessions. Adjustments reset joint mechanics, release muscle tension, and activate your body's natural healing, creating immediate relief that builds with every visit. See the difference? Restricted joints inflame nerves and tighten muscles. After adjustment, alignment improves, pressure releases, and mobility returns naturally and safely. See it in action, right? Unlike temporary fixes, chiropractic care offers lasting change, better posture, increased mobility, and fewer flare-ups. It's not just relief, it's long-term spinal health and resilience. Regular chiropractic adjustments build lasting spinal resilience by reinforcing proper alignment and reducing wear on joints. Clinical data from 2026 shows patients experience significant pain reduction within just a few sessions of chiropractic care. I came in struggling with daily back pain that limited my work and workouts. The chiropractor delivers evidence-based care. Spinal adjustments, soft tissue therapy, and corrective exercises work together to restore function. Worried adjustments are risky or just temporary. The truth is, chiropractic care is both safe and effective when done by professionals. Better posture isn't just about standing tall. It reduces strain on your spine and prevents pain before it starts. See the change. Restricted joints create tension and nerve irritation, leading to chronic discomfort. Ready to move better and live pain-free? Visit the chiropractor for personalized, evidence-based care tailored to your needs. Clinical outcomes from 2026 show patients receiving chiropractic adjustments report significant improvement in back pain within just the first few sessions. Real customers, real results. Here is what they say about chiropractic adjustments after using it in their daily lives for 30 days or more. The chiropractor delivers personalized care, spinal adjustments, soft tissue therapy, and corrective exercises. Check out the link in the description to learn more. If you found this helpful, the chiropractor has everything you need, from expert advice to top-quality products that deliver real results every time.